Hello, it is Carnival, the days before Lent. And throughout Europe, in most countries at least, these days you eat fried sweet fritters. Why is that? Because traditionally people would abstain from eating most animal products during Lent. So they try to get rid of most of them before Lent would start, and that would be Carnival. Which means that especially lard, animal fat, would be used to fry whatever could be fried. And one of those dishes are Mistembec. Mistembec is a medieval recipe that comes down to us in a medieval cookbook, and it comes from the Italian messo in bocca, put in the mouth, because they're little nice mouth-sized bites. Now, it's actually a very simple dish. We have some flour here, and we have starch, a little bit of salt, some yeast that I already diluted in water. There is water, and afterwards we'll need some honey. So we simply make a dough from those ingredients. This is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of starch, a pinch of salt, the yeast, and let's start with about 1 cup of water. We can always add more should the dough be too firm. That's the right consistency, and we stir until all the lumps have gone to have a smooth dough. Cover with a clean cloth and knead. Leave it to rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Now you see the dough has risen beautifully and is all bubbly. Now we will make little dumplings and put them into the hot fat. Now you can of course use lard, as was the original idea of the carnival fritters, but of course you can use vegetable oil as well. And they can have funny shapes, that's not the problem. You can even try to make different shapes, little swirls. Now that they are done, we drizzle the Mistembecs with a good amount of honey. It's a sweet after all. try?
Mm.
Mmm. Indulge.